wrapping ideas for you. So this is a hack when you don't have enough gift wrapping paper. So use this style to wrap your gift. It is so easy to do and a creative one because you can add some embellishments of your choice while wrapping it. And you can use strings. You can give 2 to 3 wraps of strings, and you can also use a thin ribbon over here. That will also look very beautiful. And you can add some embellishments. You can also use leaves and flowers of your garden. They will give a beautiful look to your gift. I hope you are going to like it. And here is the next one. This is also for not having enough wrapping paper. It is also very easy. Simply wrap once again from both of the sides and wrap this inside and simply tape it, and you are done. It looks very simple and beautiful. You can also add your card in it, and here is complete look. Now here is the next one. It is without tape. You are not going to use tape to fold it. Now fold it along the dimensions of the gift like this. And last but not least, fold it inside the first wrap to secure it, and it is done. And we haven't used any kind of tape. I hope you are going to like it. Here comes the next one. It is also very easy. You can also use your creativity over here. You can also use buttons in gift wrapping. They will give a unique look to your gift. Again, you can use a thin ribbon over here, and you can tie a bow knot with the help of the ribbon. You can also use ribbon flowers. So here you can add your card also, and here is the final look of your gift. It is also very beautiful. So here is a tutorial of tying a bow. Simply give cross zigzag rolls along with your finger and thumb and secure it, tying a knot like this. Now set it. Now separate the folds and cut the edges, and you are done. So you can add this both your cards and your gifts. So here is the next idea. It is also very beautiful and unique and very easy to wrap. Tell me in the comment section which was your favorite one. it is going to add a uniqueness. So it is done. You can also use paper flowers. Here is the next one. Here is an idea that you can also use your handkerchief or your small scarves in wrapping your gifts. They will also look very beautiful. Now fold it and bring it in the middle like this. Hold the cloth from both of the sides and tie a knot like this. Now tie a knot again and set the edges. It will give a beautiful look. So there you go with your card. See how beautiful it is looking, and you can also use any kind of your silk scarves or handkerchief when you are not provided with gift wrapping paper. Again, there is handkerchief, and you can use it with your creativity while wrapping your gifts. Again, grab it from both of the edges and tie a knot. You can also tie a bow knot if you are having some bigger handkerchief. So here is a tutorial of wrapping a book. Now tie double knot, set the edges. Now pass both of the remaining edges under the knot to the opposite sides and set it, and you are done. So there you go with your gift. So here again, grab the opposite edges and tie a double knot. Now pass the one edge under the knot and secure it, keeping it under the book, and again pass the remaining edge under the knot, and you are done. I hope you are going to like these gift ideas. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.